I have some of the cutest finds from Amazon. In fact, your friends are going to be saying, girl, that's from Amazon? Everything's linked down below. I'll also pin it in that comment section. Let's get right into it. I have so many fun things to show you. Starting off with this pink denim top. I am loving this, especially paired with the white. It has a beautiful zipper in the back. I also love the square neck on this, so you could showcase some of your favorite jewelry should you want to. What I would recommend wearing this is a high-waisted skirt or a pair of high-waisted shorts or high-waisted pants so that you're not showing so much of your midriff, especially if you are in the age range that I am, which is the ripe young age of 41. And if you're brand new here, I have 4 kids, ages 5 through 12, and I'm a full-time working mama, so I love looking cute. And so many of these pieces are perfect for a date night. I've been seeing this all over the interwebs viral, and I love it in the pink option. You've seen this in a previous video. I loved it so much, I had to get it in the white version. I love crisp, clean white, especially for summertime. I love the adjustable spaghetti straps on it. It also has the smocking in the back. Really, really fun flower. Speaks for itself. I guarantee you, if you were to wear this, people are going to be asking you, girl, where did you get that? And I love wearing this with anything sort of high-waisted. This next gorgeous gem, by the way, this color is absolutely stunning. Whenever I see this out and about, my eyes are drawn to it. It's gorgeous. It feels very regal, and it feels more expensive than it actually is. This is actually a bodysuit, so you can snap it at the bottom should you want to, or you can just tuck it into your undergarments, whatever it is that you're wearing. This is going to go with so many great things, with jean, with black, with white, of course, because everything looks really good with white. I love all the detail on this. In fact, this is going to be in my repertoire for an upcoming date night because it's so beautiful. And especially pair it with some gold jewelry, some fun accents, and you're good to go. This fun sheer top is sort of giving me Clueless vibes. You know, Cher, oh my gosh, I was obsessed with that movie growing up. So cute. I love the crop detail. Also the puff sleeves and the collar on this. You can really do a lot with this. You could wear something nude underneath. You could wear something white. You can button it up. You can leave it completely open. Perfect with jeans or shorts. This next fun little number, hello to the sunshine. Hello, gorgeous. Okay, this is sort of a corset. It zips in the back. It has nice form and structure to it, and I love the drop shoulder detail. Now, I'm just showing you here with a pair of white shorts, but you could really do a lot with this, like a white flowy long skirt I think would look absolutely stunning. Or even if you're on a date night, a nice pair of jeans, a capri pants, something fun and flirty. Here we have that sort of same zip up top in the actual denim version. I am loving this. In fact, I was out on a date with my husband a couple Fridays ago, and a girl was wearing this top. She was a hostess. She was super, super cute, and she had a white flowy skirt on underneath, and I love the combination. It looks so good. So even though this is crop style, wear it with something high-waisted and you're set. This gorgeous peplum top with the flower detail on this, everything about this just screams beautiful. It has the tie front here so that you can close it up for a little bit more modesty in the peplum top. Who doesn't love a gorgeous peplum top? It can really hide any areas that you want to hide. Maybe you're feeling a little bit more bloated, or maybe not. You just want to show off your cutest self. By the way, these sort of tops also make your butt look really nice depending upon what you pair these with. Super quick, if you're enjoying this video, will you please give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit that subscribe button. This next top, quite the number here. It's giving me resort vibes, vacation vibes. Of course, you could wear this for a very sultry date night depending upon where you are going. I love the gorgeous hardware detail on this. This is very forgiving, nice and stretchy depending upon your chest size and whatnot. You may not even have to wear a bra with this. In fact, I just put some nipple covers with it. But if you do have a larger chest, it does allow you to showcase your ladies. Love, love, love this next crop top. This is one that I do not have to wear a bra with, which I absolutely love. It has nice adjustable spaghetti straps. This is also crop, but again, wear it with something high-waisted, which, by the way, everything I wear down below is high-waisted, pants, jeans, skirts, because that just, I don't know, it feels most flattering and feels most comfortable on my body and frame. So this top fit the bill. So gorgeous, so stunning. It speaks for itself, especially paired with that crisp white. Wear this with, I'm imagining a block heel sandal. You could even do something a little bit more casual, like some jelly flats or a pointed toe slingback. I think would look stunning with this top. Here we have this top in the red version because you know my favorite color is fire engine red. So, so pretty. Pair this with black, with jean. You don't really need much when it comes to this top because this speaks for itself. I love, love, love this little crop number here. It also has gorgeous bell sleeves. It has a nice, beautiful front tie. This goes with so many different things. This in and of itself could be the statement piece. However, However, this is perfect if you want to throw over your shoulders. Maybe it's a little bit cooler in the morning or a little bit cooler in the evening, depending upon where you're going. Maybe you're in a restaurant and you're wearing something really cute, but you just don't want to put anything over because you're like, oh, I want to showcase this outfit. This is the perfect little gem to put on over top. This next top, it was hanging up ready for me to try on, and I was like, I don't know, like I'm not excited about this, but honey, I put this on. I am obsessed with this. It's giving me butter yellow vibes, and I also love the fun gold hardware right here. This feels very comfortable, very soft on the body, very forgiving, and this color paired with that crisp white, oh, so pretty. I'm imagining this with a white pair of capris, although it did look really nice with shorts, and then you can jazz it up with some of your favorite jewelry. Also obsessed with this gorgeous tube top. I love a good tube top because you can tuck it into whatever you're wearing down below, and then you really get to highlight some of your favorite jewelry. We're seeing a ton of beaded jewelry, Farm Rio inspired as well. In fact, I'm going to have a whole video coming up that's all Farm Rio inspired for a fraction of the cost on Amazon. Don't we just love this watercolor detail? This fits so nicely. Everything that I purchased here today is in a size small. This fits so nice. Love, 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 love this. Perfect for a date night as well. Now, before we move into some high-end look for less skirts and dresses, make sure that you're following my Amazon storefront. I'm going to link it down below as well. It's amazon.com/shop/AndreaJean1. Click on photos, and you're going to be able to see everything linked so nicely. Such a great visual way to shop. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you do it, Andrea Jean Co, because I post everything on there before it makes its way to YouTube. So if you like sneak peeks, direct links, easy access. Also, all of this gets posted on the YouTube community tab. So if you've never been over to my YouTube community tab, make sure you head over there because, again, very visually appealing, makes it easy to shop as well. These gorgeous skirts. I am obsessed with this skirt. Perfect for a date night. I love this paired with crisp white. Also, I'm pairing this with a lacy white bodysuit that I showed you previously with that nice little crop tie sweater that you can put over your shoulders if it's a little bit cooler. Love this skirt. I'm so excited to wear this on a date night. I'm definitely going to be pairing this with something white, but I do also think this would look really nice with black. It's not too short. It sort of gives the illusion that it's shorter than it actually is, but so stunning. This next skirt, I'm sure you've been seeing it all over the interwebs. It also comes, I believe, in the black version. That's where I've been seeing it, but I love the white version for summer. White on white, a beautiful monochromatic look. But again, you could pair any color on top with this skirt. This speaks for itself. It's absolutely stunning, and you're getting it for a fraction of the cost on Amazon. Here's that white lacy bodysuit. So stunning. This paired with jean shorts or something white or really anything speaks for itself. I'm excited to wear this. This is going to be on repeat in my closet to go with so many different things. This fun, super lightweight two-piece set. This is perfect for boating, if you're at the beach, if you're just strolling, doing a little shopping, a little lunching. Great for those really hot summer days. So airy, so lightweight, and I love the color combination of the blue and the white. It's giving me coastal vibes with a hint of chic and pretty. Farm Rio inspired this gorgeous dress. This just fit so nice. Great length on this. Spaghetti straps, which are nice and adjustable. This felt very comfortable. Great for someone like me who has a smaller chest, but also great for somebody who wants to showcase their girls. It has this beautiful cutout detail in front, and I love the back detail. Nice and airy and lightweight. Perfect for a lunch, a brunch, a date night, out and about, just anything super fun. Oh my word, this next dress is probably my #1 favorite. I am obsessed with it. I don't yet know where I'm wearing it, but I'm envisioning a beautiful, fun date night here in the summer. I love everything about this. I love the spaghetti straps that are fully adjustable. I do not have to wear a bra with this. The color combination on this, it just hugs the body in all the right places. It's very flowy. It's very beautiful. Now you certainly could wear this to a wedding, a graduation, anything that you have up and coming. Oh my gosh, this sort of Aztec inspired is what this is giving me. It's a tube top dress. It feels so nice on the body. You could belt this. In fact, when I wear this up and coming, I'm going to put a belt with it, but I just wanted to show you how it arrived. This is so simple, but so beautiful. I love all the bright color combinations. You know, I love neutrals and beiges as well, but I love color as well. The length on this is fun. It's nice and lightweight. The dress speaks for itself. It's just gorgeous. And last but not least, this one shoulder dress, so nice and lightweight. It feels very satiny, very silky, and has a really fun cutout on the side. You can adjust the dress based on that cutout on the side, which is really nice, so you can fit it to your body, so that's the most comfortable. Also, great length on this. It allows you to showcase a little leg, and the color combination with the pink and the orange just screams summer to me. Let me know your favorite piece from this fun collection, and we have got to keep the fun going. So click this video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.